Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. In previous video, we have discussed about the Tableau, what is the Tableau, why we are going to use Tableau, and how Tableau doing the analysis or right for the data. So we're discussing introduction to Tableau, what is Tableau, use of the Tableau, Tableau products. So in previous video, we discussed Tableau installation process and all which one we install. Tableau public, Tableau desktop, and system requirements. Tableau interface, workspace overview, menus and toolbar, and like you can see slabs and cards as well. So connect data, like we can connect data from Excel, CSV file, text file, and databases as well. Data types and fields like dimension vs measures, right? So whatever dimension is going to be considered major, time in numeric, and spreads where continue. Basic charts you're going to use here, like bar chart, line chart, pie chart, area chart. Advanced tasks like map chart, tree map, scatters, plots, histogram. Filter in Tableau like dimension filters, major filters, and context filters. Sorting and grouping, sorting data, grouping data, and sets. Calculation, calculated field, and basic formulas. Right? So this is the agenda of the Tableau, which one you're going to normally do. Joins and blending, like inner join, left, and data blending here. Dashboard, creating dashboard and layouts and formatting. Like you can create a dashboard, you're going to set the formatting of this, like font, siding, and borders, color combinations, which one you're going for to provide the layouts of your dashboard. Storage tool you're going to use. What is story? Creating a story tool, that one you're going to see. And formatting and designs, color, font, tool tips, like font formatting, color combinations, and all. So this one you're going to use in that. So now let's come back to the Tableau here. So here I take a seat. Like here we're going to see how to do the calculation in Tableau. So double click on the seat. You can define your title heading. How to calculation. Okay, Control A and bold. Here from here you can choose the color and here you can choose this alignment center. Click OK. So from here you can see I track the data like product category on the row and some of the cells on the column. And from here, click on the show me and take a table form. Now I want to make a grand total of this. How we go for this? Simple, go to the analysis. And from here, you can choose the total. So as you can see total. So row grand total and so column grand total. So I want column wise. So I click column grand total as you can see here. So this is where you can do the calculation easily. After then you can do the formatting also. Go to the format option. You can see the font. Click on the font option. You can change the font of this. Right. Once you click, you can see the font color. From here, you will choose the font color as well. Okay. And from here, you can choose the color also. From here, you can choose as you wish. And again, format, you go to the shading and go to the shading, click on it, and here you can see which color combination shadow you want. You can see, you can choose the color, click on the more option. From here you can make color as per your requirement, how you want the color, light color, dark, whatever you want, you can see. From here you can see grand total, you can define another different colors. You can see the grand total. For differentiation, the color you can choose this one. So this is where you can do the calculation also and formatting as well. See pan border. So go to the mode that would be best. Here you can see the different kinds of color, which one you're going to use. Okay, so this is where you can apply the formatting on the calculus. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.